Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I'm in the house with the Tom EDC, with a few of Tom EDC Mahjong Tile slider here with me for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to smash that like button and just destroy that subscribe button right over there. And you know what? You can flood the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about these toys. I'm just gonna go quickly through these guys to show you what are the differences, sound, look, feel between these five Mahjong tiles. So let's just divide these in two because we got V1 up here and V2 down here. V1 is a little bit different than the V2. You can also check my video. It's a little bit more in depth, but basically the difference is going to be visible in the back or in this side where you get a clicker and a ring, like a spinning ring in the V2, and you just get like a coin which doesn't move. It's just like kind of like inlaid into the V1. Right over here we got the V1 in Zirc in titanium, and this is a custom engraved one. Would you look at the detail of this guy? Is just stunning. And right here you get the acrylic one for the V2. The Cupro nickel, this is a blank one, so you can engrave yourself, and another polished Zirc. So let's quickly check, just a real quick, if you can see, yeah, look at that, magnets are coming off, it's all right, not a biggie, you can always, here we go, pop that in, so that is fine. Here we go. Maybe a little bit of super glue will fix that, but it's okay. They come off all the time, so not surprised by that. So this is the internal of the version 1 in Zirc, but it's the same. And this is the internal for the version 2. You can clearly see the difference. You have needle bearings, roller bearings right on the V1, and more magnets. You get 5 and 510 instead of 4 and 4-8 for the V2. First difference right over here. The V2 also has a pin and 4, as you can see, ball bearings with springs loaded underneath that. So as you can see, they go in and out, and they give a very different feeling. In this case, you even have some Teflon tape installed to reduce the friction. But these guys are really different because, I mean, materials are different, so the weight is going to be different, the sound is going to be different, the feel is going to be different. Like, for example, Zirc, acrylic, and Cupro V2. The V1 for the Zirc and for the titanium. So you can appreciate the difference in the sounds. Also, like the V1 has like 1, 2, and 3 states. All right, and 4 and 5, of course, whereas the V2 only has like 1, 2, and 3 states. So 2 states less in the sliding movement because of the intrinsic features like structure of the tracks and the pins on the inside. Let's quickly check the weight. So let's see, what do we have here? Let's do like that. You get V2 and V3 right there. So let's start from the V1 in titanium. All right, it's gonna be, look at this, 3.41 ounces. The Zirc, it's 4.98. That's a big one. The Cupro right over here is 5.44, heavy boy. And the V2 Zirc is 442, so a little bit lighter than the version 1. And the acrylic, of course, is going to be the lightest one at 1.04 ounces. So yeah, you get to see the difference in weight, of course, in sound, of course, and also in the feel, because clearly this is just has a different feel of altogether than this guy right over here. In the hand, in the sound, the look, of course. This is like a nice transparent one. still clicky, but different sound. Even the clicker is a little bit different. So, I mean, this is a very, very cool slider. My favorite one is gonna be the Zirc because of the weight, the feel, and the look in the hand. And of course, it sounds pretty cool. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.